Elka's strengths in wire harness. Elka is proud to provide following services on wire harness business. Wide variety of wire harness products. Customized wire harness for specific industries according to corresponding standards. Low volume but high mix production for customers. Harness is not an easy task, so Elka has prepared following capabilities. Elka's capabilities includes fully integrated supply chain to provide timely response to customers' products and delivery demands. A dedicated engineering team to support and co-work with customers for product development. Well-equipped factories for customized production. Low volume but high mix production. There are 5 basic stages of product development in our system. However, we can adjust the process based on customers' requirements. In addition to product development, Elka has developed a process control systems from materials, production, testing, inspection, and warehousing. This process control system will make Elka as a reliable supplier. We have also employed sophisticated production equipment to ensure production quality. Meanwhile, production checking system has been implemented in case quality issue happens. As a professional supplier of wire harness, Elka has built up a quality system with multiple certifications to serve various industries of customers. Our quality control system is centering around 5 methods and applying them to production management. With the control system, we can keep the transparency and traceability from the product development to production. Then the defective rate can be reduced. Our current customers of wire harness widely apply their products in vehicle, medical, industrial, and airport. With our engineering and manufacturing capabilities, Elka can serve more customers without doubt. Elka has built up a production network of wire harness in China, Taiwan, and South Asia. We aim to provide multi-site production to help our customers reduce the risk of single origin supply. Please contact us for more details.